Hi there, gals and guys. Welcome back again. And we're still hanging out here with the Singer 201K. What I have here is fresh water. What I have here is soapy water with some of our non-crud cutter parts. We're going to get at them first. And then after we get them out of the soapy water and get them in there and get them dried, then we'll go after this bunch here, because there's a whole bunch of them there. And we can see that the crud cutter has darkened. Now all this stuff went in for a soak about 10 hours ago, and about 5 o'clock this morning. It's about 3 o'clock in the afternoon, or just after now. So without further ado, we'll check this out. We'll give it a little brush. And see what it looks like. Let me make some room here. Move that over there for now. That might work better, I think. So there's still a bit of it just needs a bit of brushing. If I want to get ambitious, I can quickly get some crud cutter and wash it off immediately, kind of thing. Just give it a few seconds on here. This is the back of the plate, the interior of the plate. And then we'll put that in the soapy water. I think that's looking not too bad. So that's the rinse water. Now we'll look at this. This is the interior of the plate, of the nameplate or whatever. So we'll give it a wipe with the soapy water. You know, I don't feel any dirt on there. We'll put that in the water for a rinse. And we'll put that back in the crud cutter. And I've got a towel I can recycle just for drying my fingies. And I'm going to move that out of there now. And then I'm going to get these guys, or whatever they are, and give them a quick towel dry, shop towel dry. Let's see what we get off here. Let's try it on this side. So they're shiny and they're clean, and that's what we wanted. And I'm going to give them a quick low blow. There. Those are done. So I'm just going to set them aside over there. And the other thing that I want to do is I want to start with this before I get into the crud cutter stuff. How are we doing for time? Are we all right for time? Did I even set the time? I don't think I even set the time. I think I forgot. That's what I did. I forgot. What are we going to allow me? Another 3 minutes? There's 3 minutes there. We already got 5 minutes and 45 seconds, so it'll be almost 9 minutes. And anyway, I'm going to get some of this cloudy, soapy water. And let these lucky machines feel the soap and water getting the dust and grime off. Ooh, splash. Cool. There, so that's the soapy water and the rinse water. And here's a shop towel to get the excess water off. Sweet, where's that hair dryer? I put it on high heat and low blow. Get it started with cooling the oil in there. Oh, that's shining up nice already. Yes, sirree, indeed. This one is almost empty. That's why I'm using it without the spout. I have a new one on the go already. But we definitely want to get some in there. Where's a couple of these things? Nice. Now we'll take one and see what we get off the inside of here. So there's a little bit of grime, nothing too dramatic, nothing, I mean, it actually doesn't even look all that dirty, but we know there's grime there because, you know, this thing hasn't been seen the light of day in 40 or 60 years or whatever it is. Probably closer to, this was a 51 Centennial edition, right? 1 in 10% had the Centennial medallion like this one does. So that's good. We're getting a lot of stuff on there, and I'm going to continue along with the crud cutter stuff in another video. And thanks for viewing, liking, subscribing. And please do come back again. If this is your first time, I hope you got something of value here, that you enjoyed it here. I sure do. And to my subscribers and return viewers, thank you so much for your support. These machines depend on all of us pulling together for them. Ciao, amigos.